Graco's TrailRider Jogger Stroller and Travel System is the ultimate premium performance jogging stroller. It combines all the comfort and convenience features of a traditional jogging stroller and much more. The adjustable rear-wheel suspension allows mom to go anywhere from trail to sidewalk with just a quick change. And the never-flat rubber tires offer additional suspension for a smooth ride on any terrain. Plus, the one-hand operated quick brake on the handle makes it easier to slow down, while the one-hand, one-step fold provides utmost convenience for moms on the go. The 5-position adjustable handle helps provide a more comfortable grip, and the deluxe expandable canopy provides maximum coverage, keeping your child shaded with UV-50 sun protection. It also includes rear and side mesh window flaps, side pockets, and a visor. The TrailRider Jogger also includes an extra-large, easy-access storage basket with zipper compartment. The TrailRider Jogger comes with side reflectors for added nighttime visibility, while the front swivel wheel provides added stability for jogging when locked, and great maneuverability on daily strolls when unlocked. And the deluxe padded reclining seat comes with 3 positions for baby's comfort. The convertible 3- or 5-point harness helps provide security as your child grows, from birth up to 50 pounds. Plus, the fabric-covered child armbar with cup holder can be easily removed for cleanup and makes getting child in and out easier. The TrailRider Jogger accepts all Graco Click Connect infant car seats to create your own travel system in one easy and secure step. The TrailRider Travel System includes Graco's SnugRide SnugLock 35 DLX infant car seat and base for rear-facing from 4 to 35 pounds, which attaches directly to the stroller seat. The InRite latch system on the car seat base provides a 1-second latch attachment. The TrailRider Jogger Stroller and Travel System. All the premium comfort and convenience you expect from a Graco jogging stroller.